Absolutely fantastic.
Really
Tabitha and Ella, what a range on them as well.
Yeah,
I don't think we try and compete, would we?
Maybe we can make a guest appearance one week.
maybe it's a threesome, you never know. But now, I suppose if we had Dolly Parton and Kenny Rogers here, we'd be talking about islands in the stream. But we're going to talk about a day of weather, which was a day of two halves.
It really was. We've had all mix of things today, but actually for any early risers, they would have been treated to some beautiful pink skies this morning. Absolutely gorgeous shot there at St Wan's Pond. But as the weather phrase goes, red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning, because the pink colours are actually caused by dust particles in the air that you get when high pressure is moving off. So that means that it then makes way for low pressure and weather fronts to come through, which is exactly what we then have for this morning, damp and dreary conditions. But then it changed again, that passed, and we had some sunny skies this afternoon if you managed to avoid those showers. And there have been a few around over the past few days. I've got a great shot to show you now that sums it up.
Wow.
Amazing cloud picture from Michael. This one here is called a towering cumulus, obviously producing the showers there. But you can really tell from the shot how you can be in sunshine 1 minute and in a downpour in the next. And we have got a few more showers in the forecast overnight, but gradually they should be clearing off.
But looking at the rest of the week, it's looking quite lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got some nice conditions because high pressure is sitting over us. And for those who need a reminder, high pressure is what we get when the air is shifting down towards the Earth's surface. It keeps at bay weather fronts and generally gives us fine and dry conditions. And you can see that as we head towards Saturday evening, this weather front tries to move in and bring us some rain, but the high pressure shifts it away, so it should be dry for the most part, and we should have a good deal of sunshine as well over the next few days.
Yeah, the high weather says no. And if the sunny weather is tempting you to the coast, should be aware we've got a bit of a high tide this weekend.
Yeah, actually, it's going to be the joint highest tide of the year. So it is really a big spring tide. We do get those as we approach the equinox, and it's going to be just after around 8 a.m. So lovely for a morning dip if you enjoy your swimming. And the winds are quite calm too. So I imagine some nice waters there. There's 11.9 in Jersey and 10 metres in Guernsey. Of course, we'll get a very low tide as well. So maybe you might enjoy a bit of low water fishing. But let's get all the details now. Here's your weather. Well, there was some lovely sunshine to be had today after a bit of a damp and dreary start. It was then quite a fine day for some coastal walks if you managed to avoid a few of those pesky showers. And as we head into tonight and into tomorrow, we have said goodbye to the worst of the rain. A few showers around, but that risk is gradually diminishing. So it will be a drier end to the week, and there should be some long sunny spells to be had as well. Back to this evening, as I said, the greatest chance of seeing a shower is first thing. That risk will reduce overnight, and we'll have some clear periods as well tonight, a moderate to fresh breeze from a northeasterly direction, and minimum temperatures there of around 5 to 6 degrees. So there is a chance of a ground frost in some of the more sheltered parts of the islands. Heading into tomorrow, generally dry with bright spells, just a very small chance of a shower first thing, but those should be clearing off, so lots of dry weather as we head throughout the day, and by the afternoon some lovely long sunny periods, possibly some blue skies as well. The winds will be easing as well throughout the day and just veering around to a more northerly direction, a light gentle breeze around force 3 by the evening, with maximum temperatures tomorrow of 9 to 10 degrees. Let's get our times of high water then, between 6 and 6:45, later on between 6:30 and around 7 p.m, with the sea temperature just below 9 degrees. So moving through Thursday night and into Friday, we have got a high pressure moving in. That's the main story, meaning plenty of fine, dry and settled weather, and we should have some decent sunshine as well. When we take a look at the outlook, there's a fair amount of sunshine in the mix and a gentle breeze as well, so some pleasant weather as we head towards this weekend.